Create DID avatars like this. Follow the quick tutorial.
We're on. So log in with your Gmail account. Then you can upload your own photo, or you can choose one of the presenters the ID has for you. So I chose my photo. After it is uploaded, you drag it to the square you see. Now let's upload our audio, or you can even write it if you want. Choose a voiceover and see if you like it. Click on listen. After you're happy with the result, all you have to do is create. When you have rendered the video, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots and download your amazing video, I'm sure. So enjoy it. Is that easy? Yes, it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be coming back with more fantastic AI tools to help you and your projects, of course. See you then.